Okay, first thing, let's go through your kit and make sure that you have all the parts that you need, and then help identify the different components. So first, make sure you have your instruction booklet and all the support material. Okay? Then you're going to have a bag, and let's go ahead and empty the contents of this bag out. Try to keep things somewhat organized. Okay, so the first thing is we'll find our 3-volt motor. So this is our 3-volt motor. Okay, and then we have 3 wheels. We're gonna make a you can make a car, like a 3-wheeled car, or you can make an airplane later. And then this piece of metal serves as the axle. Okay, so be careful with this. Don't want to hurt anybody, so make sure you're keeping all your parts organized and picked up. Okay, then you have your craft sticks. So inside this baggie you should have your craft sticks, and there's also a straw in here, but you have your craft sticks. Then we have 2 AA batteries. So your AA batteries, okay, be careful not to store them where the metal components, the ends, we don't want those metal ends to touch anything, and never leave your batteries in the holder. Okay, we're going to talk about battery safety in a few minutes. So we've already looked at the straw. We have the Elmer's glue. We have the propeller. And then you also have, we have a couple extra pieces of wire. We said the battery holder. The battery holder has, this is a switch that's built into the battery holder. Be careful not to damage that. We have a regular electrical switch here. Okay, and then this holds the battery. Also, you may want to get a pair of scissors. A pair of scissors could be helpful. Scissors are not included in the kit. And then also you may want to get some tape. Again, the scissors and the tape are not necessary, but they can be helpful, and they were not included in the kit. So keep your parts organized, and we'll talk about safety next.